This is Arkady today. For our math lesson today, we're going to review even and odd numbers. So let me start my presentation. So let's talk math talk. An even number is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? Those are our even numbers. They have a pair. So if you ever are confused if it's even or odd, if you draw little dots, pair them up. We did this in class. And if they have a partner, they're even. So they're whole numbers that can be split into, trying to get rid of that bar. Whole numbers that can be split into groups of 2. They have pairs. Even numbers. Let's say them all together. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Nice job. If it's not an even number, it needs to be an odd number. Those are whole numbers that cannot be split into groups of 2. So when they're paired up, they don't have a buddy. So if you've ever been playing and you and another friend, right, that would be an odd number. You could have a buddy, but your friend didn't have a buddy. Those are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And of course you could keep going, right? The next odd number would be 11. And then 13, and then 15, 17, 19. But they will always either have a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 at the end of their number. So even and odd numbers. Give me a thumbs up if you remember this from first grade. Nice job. So let's write our even and odd numbers really quickly. Let me insert a text box here. All right, let me get some big old font. All right, let's see. Can you say all the even numbers for me? Let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Can we make it all the way to 20? 18, 20. Do you know the next one? Say it if you know it. Or pause if you need a second. 22, right? And you just keep going. And then it's 24. And then it's 26. And then it's 28. So if you notice the pattern, right? On the ones digit, it's either 2, 4, 6, 8. Or of course, 0 is also an even, right? Because it doesn't have a buddy, but it's not odd. So if it has a 0, we are calling it an even number. Let me insert another text box, and we'll practice writing the odd numbers. Let me get a big font so you can see. All right, odd numbers. Start counting. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Do you know the next one? 11, good. 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Good job, keep going. 23, 25, 27, 29, 31. Let's see the pattern there. What are always in the ones digits? Very good. Do you see that? It's always a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Even really big numbers, even if it's a 3-digit number, let's make one. 257. That one last digit tells me if it's even or odd, or the ones digit. So that's a 7, which makes it odd. So let's make a really big even number. How about 864? I look at that ones digit. 4 is an even number, so it's even. Nice job. All right, we're going to do some fun activities. This is called Odd or Even Party. Give me a little dance real quick. Ooh, ooh. All righty. So this little kid is holding some balloons, so we need to count and decide are the balloons even or odd. So I'm going to give you a second to count, and then we'll decide together. All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is 6 even or odd? Say your answer. It is even. Very good. Let's try another one. Ooh, birthday cake or party cake. Those look good. All right, first we have to count the cakes and then decide if it's even or odd. So count those cakes. Remember, if you need more time, you can always pause my video. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Even or odd. Is 10 even or odd? Remember, if you don't know, you can draw 10 dots, and if they all have buddies, it's even. If one dot doesn't have a buddy, it's odd. What's your answer? 10 is even. Very good. Ooh, presents. That looks fun. All right, let's count the presents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, because that one's kind of on top, right? Ooh, 13, even or odd? You can draw dots, or if you just know your brain, that's awesome too. 13 is odd. Very good. All right, let's count the kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is 9 even or odd? This is a really great picture, boys and girls, because these are what I'm talking about with the buddies or the pairs. See, look, these kids have each other, and these kids have each other, and these kids have each other. But look at this group of 3. One person is left out. He doesn't have a buddy or an elbow partner. So this number is odd. Very good. Let's try one more. You guys are doing awesome. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even or odd? Use different strategies if you need help. I'm going to try my partner technique. So they have their buddies, the girls, the pigtail girls. Oh, this little cute blonde boy doesn't have a partner. This must be an odd number. Awesome. I think you guys are doing great, so I want to try this next game. It's called 3, 2, 1 Blast Off. Looks pretty cool, huh? It says pull the rockets up, and if they can join the mission. So this rocket ship is only taking even numbers. So we have to pull up on them to know if they're even or odd. So is 28 even or odd? Remember, if it's a bigger number, you just look at the ones digit. Or the last digit in the number. So is 8 even or odd? Remember, if you need more help, you can pause the video and write down the even and odd numbers if that helps you. All right, I'm about to pull up on this rocket. Even or odd, what's your guess? Let's see. I think 28 is even. Let's see if we're right. Ooh, thumbs up. He can join the mission. Yay. All right, 29. Even or odd? Let's see. 29. I'm going to look at the ones digit, which is a 9. Let me count my 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I know those are my evens, so I don't think he is even. He cannot go. Oh, good. We were right. Thumbs down. He cannot go. I'll put him back. 30. All right. Look at the ones digit. There's a 0. We talked about this, right? Even though 0 doesn't have a partner, there's no partners to be had, right? No one's left out. So it is even. I'm going to pull up. Hopefully I get a thumbs up. We did. Nice job. All right. 31. Let me say my even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Did I say a 1? I didn't, right? He's definitely odd. Let me check if we're right. Thumbs down. We were. Nice job, my little astronauts. Let's try this one. All right, they're only accepting odd numbers on this mission. All right, my first number is 14. Do you see that blue little rocket ship? All right, 14. Let me say my odd numbers now, right? Because that's what we want to look for. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Did I say 4? I didn't, did I? So she must be even. So I don't think she can go. Let's double check. Woohoo, she cannot go. All right, 15. Let me say my odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I did say 5, right? 5 was in the ones place. I bet she can go. She can. Nice job. All right, 16. Odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I did not say 6, so she cannot go. Let me see if I'm right. Yep, thumbs down. Our last rocket ship is 17. Let's say our odd numbers together. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I did say 7, right? I bet she can go. Woohoo! All right, let's do one more. And let's see if you can do it without my help. Remember, if you need help, this is a great time to pause the video. You can write down the odd and even numbers or keep practicing. All right, 24. They want odd numbers only. I'll give you a couple seconds. Is 24 even or odd? Say your even numbers. Did you say 4? Say your odd numbers. Excuse me, boys and girls. Say your odd numbers and see if you said 4. Odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I didn't, right? That rocket has to stay. He can't leave Earth. Oh, you were right. Good job. If you got confused, boys and girls, maybe practice your odd numbers and even numbers for a second. See if you can practice them and say them independently. 34, odd number. I'm going to give you a second. Try my strategy of saying the odd numbers. See if it helps. I didn't say 4 when I said my odd numbers, so I don't think this rocket can go. Nope, it can't. Nice job if you got it correct. 14. All right, I'm going to say my odd numbers. I wonder if some of you see the pattern. I don't mean yes or no, but 24 couldn't go. 34 couldn't go. I wonder if 14 can go. They've all had 4s in the one places, and 4's not an odd number. I bet they can't even go. Very good. All right, our last one, 21. Is 21 even or odd? So use your very smart brain. Look at the ones digit. Is that an even or odd number? I think you're right. It is. It is an odd number. Good job, boys and girls. All right. Let's see. Should we do one more? I say one more. Deal? All right. You guys are doing pretty awesome. All right. This rocket ship is only taking even. All right. Our first one is 16. Is 16 odd or even? Say your answer out loud. If you need more time, you can pause the video. All right, let's quickly say our even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I did say 6, right? So she can go. Nice job. All right, next one is 25. 25. All right. Say your answer. Nope, 5 is not an even number, is it? I couldn't say 5 in my evens. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. She cannot go. Let's double check if we're right. Yep, thumbs down. All right, 10. Even or odd? Let's see, even or odd? Say your answer. If you said even, awesome job. Oop, nope. Sorry. Very good. 10 is an even number. We say it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, our last one, 17. Even or odd? Try to get this one. I think it'll be our last one for today. All right. I say 17 is not an even number because I don't say it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It is definitely odd. Let's see if we're right. And we are. Amazing job, boys and girls. We're going to practice this worksheet. You're going to do this by yourself. So you have a number and you have to circle even or odd. I bet you're going to do awesome. Boys and girls, remember, if you want, you can watch this video again or you can practice by yourself. Awesome job.